Hey, this is Chris with Grease and Gears TV, and this is your product spotlight.
And this is the time when we've never done a product spotlight at Klock Werks before. So let's just get real here.
Put the good stuff in here.
Yeah, and I mean, you know, everybody likes to get the big Christmas present, the big box, the big whatever. But the beauty of this thing is a lot of guys would get their FXRP fairings and they were cracked. They were damaged. All the stuff wasn't there. I thought I was buying a fairing and brackets. I thought I was buying this and this. Now I got to go find the bolts. I got to find the hardware. FXRP style fairings are not new. FXRT, whatever you want to call them. But so the only way we, Klock Werks, could make a difference is to do it the Klock Werks way, which meant you should get everything. It should be a fit kit. It should be boom, one and done. You should be able to bolt this on your bike in 45 minutes in your garage if you've never done it before. And that was the trick for us. So we literally spent the last year and a half perfecting all the applications, all the brackets, all the stuff. So to look at a big dumb box right now seems stupid, but we really want to show you this. Check that out.
Look at that.
Okay.
You know what this is for?
So you get a knee board for working on the ground in your garage. You're able to hang it. It's got a logo lasered in here that we do right here in the shop. But it also serves to keep this windshield and everything from moving. So we decided, well, why waste this piece of packaging when we can make it a cool functional part? Comes with an FXRP flare windshield, which is just standard item, right? This is something we have. Sorry, this is just going to get even more awkward as we go, okay? This box right here, which is way too tall and way too heavy, this is the bracket, okay? So we didn't have to print on here and do all this crazy work, but man, we love making really cool stuff, okay? This one has been shipped across the country, I think 4 or 5 times now. And so you can see that it's been taped, people have opened it, it's wore out. I'm gonna take this out of the way, Chris.
Okay.
You're looking from the top there, and out comes a fully primed and prepped fairing that's also wrapped in swaddling clothes. So if you had to send it to your painter and then get it back, just wrap it back up. This is your headlight cover, all packaged separately, available separately if somebody wants to buy just that part if you had one that's already been cracked. This bad boy right here, this box has been specially designed with all the things in it, all the instructions, all the stuff. Yes, it comes with stickers. Everything from your headlight bracket to the brackets, the rings, the headlight mounting ring, and this is like the holy grail piece right here. You can go ahead and rip that open like it's Christmas, it's okay. Mustache support bars in here, but this bracket,
This is the part that makes it work.
and what I'm really proud of my team for is that this hardware, you can see all these bags in here. The beauty of this is, okay, there's E, F, H, C, okay? You call me and tell me I can't find C. Well, you know what? I don't really care if your dog ate it. My team will send you this immediately. If you call us and say, I'm missing one letter in this alphabet, we're gonna send you the part because I know what that feels like. I know what it means to have your kid walk away with this one piece and have this thing laying in the back lawn, and you don't wanna be there.
This is cool. This is cool.
I mean,
this is
seems
kids.
so.
Anybody who's put together kids' toys, furniture, TV mounts, this is what we're used to. You know, like this is brilliant. It's exactly how we put everything else together. They come like this.
Right, and so why can't we do this in the motorcycle world? So make it that simple, but this bracket is really the trick. This kit is for a Softail Milwaukee 8 bike, so like let's say you had a Lowrider S and you want to make it as cool or cooler than the Lowrider ST, put an FXRP style fairing on it. All this mounts to the factory hardware. You can see this goes to the tank bolt. This goes down to the engine mounts and to the mustache bar area. This is so you can still read your VIN. So even if you do get pulled over, because you do speed. Yeah.
I will definitely speed with that fairing.
Okay. And so you get pulled over, you can still see your VIN. Okay. Comes with this little brass tag. So if you're wondering, if you look at a bike and you're not sure if it's a Klock Werks part or not, is that the Klock Werks one? Just take a peek over the top of the fairing. This will be laying in there and you'll be able to see that badge and know that it legitimately came from us.
Plus it's a spade.
Just a cool logo. Sorry.
All right, man, give it to me. What am I getting into this for? Because honestly, anybody that's out in the market today knows, even if you find one of these cracked and beat up and abused, like you're gonna pay for it.
So
if you can find one.
This kit is $19.99.95, okay, all in, and it comes with everything. Doesn't matter if you have a Dyna, a Sportster, an FXR, Softail Milwaukee 8 bikes. We now have them for the Indian Springfield. We're coming out with one for the Indian Chief next week. We got a lot of stuff going on. People are asking us for 04 and up Sportsters, that generation. So we're working on that this winter. And we're also working on the older Softail versions. So lots of stuff happening with these. We're also coming out with one for the BMW R18. So,
Nice.
you know, this is not a joke. Everybody goes, that's sacrilege. You shouldn't be putting this Harley fairing on any other bike. Well, I like motorcycles. I don't really look at it like that. This is the best, most aerodynamic fairing Harley-Davidson ever made. And so why not let everybody enjoy the air management that is this?
Yep.
Because we're Klock Werks. We're the air management experts. That's what we do. You enjoy your motorcycle. We enjoy air management.
Look at
Everybody
that,
wins.
buddy.
So
Very, very nice.
yeah, and you could put any audio. We're not. Doesn't come with an audio kit. You put Bluetooth audio in it. You can leave audio out of it. Maybe you listen to a car to a center, whatever. That's all fine. Again, we try not to define that. Okay.
And you
We make it quality. You make it custom.
you also will be able to see something in this line of custom coming out of the Grease and Gears garage very soon, I hope, as we unveil what we're doing in partnership with Twisted Tea this year. But that's all I'm saying.
Fine.
There's lots of stuff going on in motorcycle audio. A lot of people looking for solutions to stuff, and this is your universal amp bracket.
Yeah, FXRP fairings, FXRT fairings. If you put one on a bike, you know, just know where to put anything. It's hard to mount it. If you're using an original, it's even harder, right? Because it's that very brittle type of plastic that they used. And so what we did was, this is something we used on Vanessa's bike initially when we were started developing the FXRP, FXRT, and we said, you know what, this is pretty simple for us to make. We should just actually put it out as a part. I'm laughing because prior to us going on, he was saying, you know, what you use this for is driving across Kansas, right? And you put your DVD player here, you watch reruns of MASH, or what do you?
That's what I used to do.
Okay, that's not what you do, kids. Okay, it's not what you do. Just everybody's got to have an example. This is your bad one today. Okay, this mounts at the front of the fairing through the same 4 bolts that mount your headlight and your bracket and everything. And let's say you want to put an XM radio receiver on here. You want to just drill this wherever you want for your amp bracket. There's tie points here where you can zip tie your wires to it, keep things collectively up and out of the way. Seems like a simple part. This is a really hard part to market because most people don't know. But if you're on our site and you're shopping getklocked.com and you think you're going to be the guy who wants audio in your FXRP, FXRT fairing, grab this. Makes it super easy. So we're just trying to run alongside of you. And even if I only ever sell 10 of these because it's a niche within a niche within a niche, hey, those 10 of you are super happy.
You might sell 10 more of them if you explain to people you could mount this so that you could put a little screen on it.
Hashtag bad example, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, for Grease and Gears TV, I'm Brian Klock, and this is my bad example.
Chris Callen.
Peace.